How to quickly turn on or turn off headphone accommodations for phone and media from the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, I'm going to go back all the way back to settings, then tap on control center. Then we scroll down and make sure hearing is added to the control center. If not, you can go down to the more control section and tap on add hearing. Then once it is added to the control center, you can swipe down at the top to open up control center and tap on hearing. And here tap on headphone accommodations. And from here you can quickly toggle the on and off for phone or media. And that's it. You can also go directly into the headphone audio settings by tapping on that button right there. And from here, you can customize your headphone audio. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.